Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nabila. My metric number S62556. This is a video explanation for individual assignment for accounting course. So we start to fill the student name. My name is Nur Nabila binti Mat Nasi, and I am from group 4 K3. So the given data and all the list and the amount for the last month cost. Additional information: screw, sandpaper and paint are not worth the effort to trace a specific unit and are treated as manufacturing overhead. For task 1, for the product cost, identify whether the cost is direct material (DM), direct labor (DL), or manufacturing overhead (MOH) in column G. So task 1, factory rent is product, and manufacturing overhead. Company advertising is period cost. Wages paid to assembly workers is product cost, direct labor. Depreciation for salesperson vehicles is period cost. Screws, product cost. Manufacturing overhead. Utilities for factory, product cost, manufacturing overhead. Assembly supervisor salaries is product cost, manufacturing overhead. Sandpaper, product cost. Manufacturing overhead. President's salary, period cost. Plastic tubing, product cost. Direct material. Paint, also product cost. Manufacturing overhead. Sales commission is product cost. Sales commission is period cost. Factory insurance is product cost. Manufacturing overhead. Depreciation of cutting machine is product cost, also manufacturing overhead. And the last one is wages paid to painters is product cost. Direct labor. So next, for the requirement 2, so state whether fixed or variable. So for factory rent is fixed cost. Company advertising is fixed cost. Wages paid to assembly works, wages paid to assembly workers is variable. Depreciation for salesperson is a fixed cost. Screws variable. Utilities for factory variable. Assembly supervisor salary fixed cost. Sandpaper variable. President's salary fixed cost, plastic tubing, variable, paint, variable, sales commission, variable, factory insurance, fixed, depreciation on cutting machine, fixed, wages paid to painters, variable. That's all for requirement 2. And then for requirement 3, calculate the cost of direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, prime cost, conversion cost, total product cost, total period cost, total variable cost, and total fixed cost. For direct material, in plastic tubing, the cost is 4,200. Direct labor, wages paid to assembly workers, and wages paid to painters, and then we add the two amount. And then manufacturing overhead, the factory rent, the schools, utilities factories, assembly supervisor salaries, sandpaper, paint, factory insurance, and depreciation of cutting sandpaper. And then we add all the amount. E7, E11, E12 plus E13 plus E14 plus E17 plus E19 plus E20, and then the amount is 11,500. So for prime cost, we add the direct material and the direct labor. So we took the amount 4,200 plus 37,500, and then the amount is 41,700. For conversion cost, we add direct labor and manufacturing overhead, 37,500 plus 11,500. The total is 49,000. Next, total product cost. Total product cost, we add direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead, 4,200, 37,500, 11,500. And then the total is 53,200. Next, total period cost. Look at the period cost: company advertising, depreciation of self-person vehicle, resident salaries, and the last one. So we add E8 plus E10 plus E15 plus E18, and the total is 10,200. Next, total variable cost. Zoom, sorry. So we add all the variable costs, wages paid to assembly workers, screws, utilities for factory, and all the variable costs. So D28 plus D30 plus D31 plus D33 plus D35, and then plus D36, D37, and D30 and D40. So the total is 44,700. For the total fixed cost, we add all the fixed costs: factory rent, company advertising, depreciation of salespersons, and all the fixed costs. D26 plus D27 plus D29 plus D32, D34, D38, and D39. So the total is 18,700. So that's all for task 1. Completing the task 1. Next, we go for task 2, part 1. So we have to do schedule of cost of goods manufactured and income statement. So the given data, all the items and all the amount are given, and then so we have to do the schedule of cost goods manufacturers and income statement for Smart Garment Berhad for the year ended December 31, 2022. So first we have to do the schedule of good manufactured. So we have to take the information from the given data, and we have to insert the cost and the item in the schedule of cost good manufactured. So first of all, for direct material, raw material inventory for January 1, raw material in the inventory for January 1 is 40,000. And then add with purchase of raw material. Look at the given data. Raw material inventory January, purchase of raw material is 180,000. So raw material available for use, we add the raw material inventory January 1 with purchase of raw material, and then the raw material available for use is the total is 229,000. Sorry, the raw material available for use is 220,000 minus with raw material inventory December 31 is 25,000. So we have to minus 220,000 with 25,000. So we get the raw material used. So the total is 195,000. Next, we go to direct labor. Direct labor, look at the given data. Direct labor is 200,000. And then we go for manufacturing overhead. We have utilities plan, depreciation plan and equipment, indirect labor and other manufacturing overhead. We have to add all the total of the amount. First, utilities plan, 40,000. Next, depreciation plan and equipment, 60,000. Plus indirect labor, 15,000. And other manufacturing overhead. Indirect labor is 15,000. Other manufacturing overhead is 80,000, and then we add all the amount for manufacturing overhead. So we add 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 15,000, 60,000 plus 15,000 plus 80,000, and the total is 195,000 for the total manufacturing overhead. For total manufacturing cost, total manufacturing cost, raw material use plus direct labor plus total manufacturing overhead, and the total is 590,000. So to find cost of good manufactured, total manufacturing cost, and then we look at the given data, work in process inventory. Work in process inventory for January 1, 40,000, and work in process inventory for December 31, 30,000, and cost of good manufactured, total manufacturing cost plus work in process inventory January 1, minus work in process inventory December 31, and the total is 600,000. We have to minus work in process inventory December 31, but we don't have to put the minus symbol, because we already put the minus symbol in the formula. Next, Smart Garment Berhad income statement for the year ended December 31, 2022. Okay, first we start with the sale. Look at the given data. The sales is 950,000. Next is finished good inventory January 1, 20,000. Next, cost of good manufactured 600,000. Then we calculate the total of finished good inventory January 1 and cost of good manufactured. So we got cost of good available for sale. So we add 20,000 plus 600,000. The total is 620,000. Next, finished good inventory for December 31. The amount is 50,000. For cost of good available for sale and finished goods inventory December 31. So we got the cost of goods sold. So 620,000. plus with finished good inventory December 31, cost of good available for sale minus with finished good inventory December 31, 620,000 minus 50,000 is 570,000, and sales minus with cost of goods sale 950,000 minus 570,000, we got the gross margin. The gross margin is 380,000. Selling and administrative expenses $150,000. So the lastly is net operating income is, so we book the total, so 380,000 minus with 150,000, gross margin minus selling and administrative expenses, we got 230,000. So that's all for task 2. So net operating income is 230,000.